Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a store on Squarespace for home appliances business, easy and quick. So here you can create your website from here. You can see templates. So first we know that Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So here you can choose the topic of your business, home appliances. So here you can select the type of your business. For example, home appliances. You can just select online store, and now let's move on. Here you can choose one of these templates, and also you can create and build your own templates from here. So let's get started. Let's go. Here you can type your business name or your site name. Type any name about appliances business, and here you can customize and build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So this section and the intro section must be attractive intro section for to attract people. So for example, you can choose this to attract, and here you can choose the product section in for example this attractive, the services section, and the about section, the social section, and here this the form section, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here you can add pages to your site, for example shop, and here you can choose the color palette. It must be related and match with the business, like the home appliances business, for example this, or this for example. Here you can customize any font. You can choose any font you want here, or you can customize it on your home page later. So for example, you can choose this just to finish the building of the home page. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website, something about your website, and choose the writing style and stuff like this. And you can also skip from here. I'm gonna skip this. So here you can customize the page settings. For example, you can go here. So you can make it just shop like this, and also you can change it anyone you want, any as you like. You can make a home page or services as the business. That's it. I'm gonna make it just shop. So if you want to edit, you can click here. So here you can add the text, for example, welcome to our professional or personal website for home appliances like this. So you can make it more bigger and more larger like this to attract more people. Here you can change this, just you can change the text. You can anything you want, get started, or shop now, for example, as you like. So that's it. You can choose the background from here. Go to the background. You can choose the art here, and also you can add an image. So click here and select it from your library. Go to free image. Now type home appliances like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is just for example, you can choose whatever you want. So after this, you can save the section or duplicate it from here. Here if you want to add a section, just click on it, and you can choose what kind of section you want to add on your homepage as you like. So if you want to edit the view of the website, you can make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view. So that's it. Here you can change the color of the text. So that's it. If you want to change the color, just go here and go to the colors. So you can change and customize the color from here as you like. So that's it for today. That's for this part. I'm gonna see you, and I'm gonna continue on the next part, on the second part, this video of the home appliances business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video on the second part.